Next, let us discuss about the types of keratinization in gingival epithelium. Keratinization in gingival epithelium can be classified into three types based on the degree of the keratinization. First is orthokeratinized epithelium. So orthokeratinized epithelium is representing that complete keratinization process has occurred in this epithelium, and superficial cells will not have the nuclei and organelles in them, and you can find the keratohyaline granules very well organized in the stratum granulosum layer, and this stratum granulosum layer is also very well defined. In the keratinized layer, the lipids from the granules are merging with the cell membrane to form the envelope as already discussed. So the lipids from the keratohyaline granules, they are getting released, and in the stratum corneum layer they are getting merged with the cell membrane and they are forming the cell envelope. So second is the parakeratinized epithelium. Parakeratinized and the non-keratinized epithelium are an intermediate stage of the keratinization. So in the orthokeratinized epithelium, you don't see any nucleus or the organelles. Whereas in the parakeratinized epithelium, stratum corneum is showing the pycnotic nucleus, whereas non-keratinized epithelium do not have this stratum corneum layer. Ortho, para, and non. So in the orthokeratinized epithelium, here the keratinization process is completed, and in the superficial layer there is no nucleus and there are no organelles present, whereas the stratum granulosum layer is very well defined and you can see the keratohyaline granules in the stratum granulosum layer. When it comes to the parakeratinized layer, the superficial layer or the stratum corneum layer will have the pycnotic nucleus and the stratum granulosum layer is absent here. So here you will not find a stratum granulosum layer. Whereas in the non-keratinized epithelium, this doesn't have the stratum granulosum and the stratum corneum. So stratum corneum is absent, stratum granulosum is also absent, and the superficial cells are having the viable nucleus. So in the non-keratinized epithelium, the superficial cells are having the viable nucleus. In the parakeratinized, superficial cells are having the pycnotic nuclei. In the orthokeratinized, you don't find the nucleus or the organelles in the superficial layer. It is important to note that para and non-keratinized epithelium, they have the potential to convert into keratinized epithelium. So parakeratinized epithelium is considered to be an intermediate or the incomplete keratinization. So when the non-keratinized and parakeratinized epithelium are exposed to certain conditions, they have the tendency to get converted into the keratinized epithelium.
If you found this video helpful, hit the bell icon below and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned to Tooth Fairy Tales for more dental videos.